Hello guys, this is Ajay Trisha
and this is RJ Pranav.
wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. And you are listening to Radio Masala 98.9 FM. So today on this special day, we are going to do something exciting
And inspirational, in which we are going to connect to some of the hardworking warriors and educators to share their personal experiences with the listeners.
And the name of the show is Kuch To Karo Na, let's do something. So before starting our show, let's take you guys to Don Bosco Pune to see how the Republic Day was celebrated. Good morning guys, we are at Don Bosco Pune.
Let's go inside and see how Republic Day is being celebrated.
Let's go. So let's take you in guys and hear from Principal Reverend Father Bosco de Mello.
And let's see what he wants to say on this 71st Republic Day.
Let's take you in.
Here you come, Father. Good morning, come.
Good morning Father.
Good morning.
Myself RJ Trisha and he is RJ Pranav.
Okay.
And we are from Radio Masala 98.9 FM and we are doing this show called Kuch To Karo Na, let's do something. So today on this 71st Republic Day, what message would you like to give to our listeners?
Congratulations to you for having thought of this very novel idea of hosting this show. It's indeed a very proud moment that we are celebrating our Republic Day today. And Republic Day basically I would think is kind of the People's Day. And we are so fortunate to have our great tall leader in the person of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who has given us this constitution, a kind of a rule book by which we are all expected to govern ourselves. And if we are able to only put into practice the preamble, which is the kind of a basis of our existence and our going forward, I think much good will happen among ourselves. He has given us these beautiful virtues of being a sovereign, a secular, a democratic republic, and he's also given us kind of certain values by which we need to conduct ourselves, all enshrined in the preamble basically of justice, where everybody, be it political, be it economical, be it social justice, we are supposed to kind of have and be privileged by that. We are also supposed to be enjoying liberty, liberty, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, where we are able to express ourselves in the right sense, of course. It's important that when there are rules, there is also responsibility that comes upon ourselves. Another important value that we have given to us by the Constitution is of equality, where there is no distinction that is supposed to be there between one individual and the other. Opportunities are supposed to be given to everybody, be it the rich, be it poor, from whichever race you come from whichever religion we come from. That's such a beautiful value and a virtue to follow. And finally, fraternity, sharing the brotherhood and the sisterhood among ourselves, being able to look into the eye of the other person and see a brother in that person, see a sister in that particular person. And I'm sure if we are able to do that, we will be able to respect each other in a big way. So today, as we celebrate our republic, I think if you are able to focus on the preamble and take these values and make them our very own, our country, which is already progressing so much and it is so much appreciated all over the world, will definitely do much, much better. So my wish for my fellow countrymen is that we are able to put into practice the preamble that has been given to us by our dear Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Thank you for conducting this show.
Thank you so much.
And wish you all the best.
Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. So guys, we have some toppers from Don Bosco, Pune. So let's see what they want to say.
A very warm and hearty greetings to everyone today. I am Sakshi Singh from 12th Arts. Well, technically was from 12th Arts. I am topper of Arts 2020 batch. I scored 90.46%. It feels surreal to be giving this introduction today. The entire nation is laced up today to celebrate 26th Jan. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. I would like to start by thanking my teachers, administration staff and our loving Father Bosco. I cannot stress enough about how important teachers are and how much of value they add into our lives. I have met some of the most knowledgeable and supportive teachers here in Don Bosco, which I am very thankful for. To all the students, I would like to say feel privileged to have such incredible teachers like Samudra sir, Amit sir, Poonam ma'am, Jessie ma'am and everyone else of course. To all the students in 12th right now, I would like to say this is a critical year we get to study, to learn, to maximize our potential and to make our parents and teachers proud. Make sure you believe in yourself and know exactly what you're aiming for. Ask for help, this is very important. Ask teachers if you have doubts, reach out to your classmates. I myself messaged teachers late in the night and annoyed them with my doubts. I did reach out to Astitwa, 2019 topper from Arts. He did help me and the only right thing to do would be to help you guys, which I would be really happy to do. One thing I truly believe in is that we are who we hang out with. Make sure you surround yourself with good human beings. Don't fall prey for the glitter and show off. Remember, the competition out there is very high. Give your absolute best. The only advice I would like to give is there are no shortcuts here. Be consistent. As a famous quote by Maya Angelou says, nothing will work unless you do. I believed in outperforming myself and gave my best and chased excellence. Being a topper was only a byproduct of it, which wasn't my ultimate goal. I wish all the luck to the 12th standard batch. I hope you all give your absolute best. Don Bosco offers many opportunities. Make sure you participate in them. I hope you all have a great day. Happy Republic Day once again. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Falguni Praveen Dharne of 12th Commerce B. I have scored 90% in my HSC exam 2020. I am glad that I have got this opportunity to express my views and to thank all the people who helped me achieve this success. I start by thanking our Reverend Father Principal, our supervisor and all the teachers who led me through this path and also always supported and encouraged me in my hard times. I also thank my parents who always encouraged and supported my decision and stood by me. Now coming towards the exams and the way I study. Actually, I started studying after the prelims were over. I mainly focused on the MCQs and practiced papers of previous 3 years. First, I wasn't able to finish the papers within the time, but after some practice, I was able to finish it within 3 years. Important questions and the markings given by the subject teachers were very useful for reference. Now, I would like to finish by telling you all that to score more, read the lessons thoroughly and also practice the question paper sets given by the teachers. I know though you all have not attended the classes physically this year, but if you put all your efforts and hard works into it, no one can stop you from achieving your goal. So, all the best to you. Last but not the least, I would like to thank college management that they have given me this opportunity to express my gratitude towards the college and teachers.
Let us give you a hint, guys. जिनकी जिगर में दम,
कोई ना कर सके इनका हौसला कम,
आंखों में नींद,
ना दिल में करार,
मोहब्बत नहीं,
खाकी की वर्दी है मेरे यार.
I think you all guessed it right. Yes, it's a policeman. So let us connect to one of our senior inspector SK Verma. Hello sir, this is RJ Pranav from Radio Masala. Wishing you a very happy Republic Day.
Hello, happy Republic Day, RJ Pranav.
So sir, we are running the show in which we are talking to some of the hardworking warriors and educators to share their personal experiences with our audience.
Glad to be here.
So sir, जैसे कि 2020 हम सबके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल रहा है, आपके लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही था, तो आप कुछ अपनी पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस या फिर स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहेंगे हमारे लिसनर्स के साथ?
जी जरूर, मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टोरीज है शेयर करने को। उनमें से एक है, दिसंबर का वक्त था, लॉकडाउन चल रहा था जैसा आपको पता है, और मैं अपनी ड्यूटी में था। तो मैं एक फैमिली को देखता हूँ अक्रॉस अ रोड, और हुआ यूँ कि
कुठे चाललाय तुम्ही?
साहब हम लोग गांव को जा रहे हैं।
ये कोई टाइम है क्या घूमने का? आपको पता है ना लॉकडाउन चल रहा है।
साहब हम गांव घूमने नहीं जा रहे, हमें भी पता है कि सब कुछ बंद है, इसकी वजह से हमारा काम चला गया, घर में खाने के लिए दाना नहीं है, तो हम घूमने कहाँ से जाएंगे?
कैसे जा रहे हो फिर गाँव?
चल के जा रहे हैं, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है।
अच्छा रुको, ये लो, चलो मैं बस स्टैंड तक छोड़ता हूँ तुम्हें।
धन्यवाद साहब।
तो सर आपने बहुत ही अच्छा और नेक काम किया है। आप जैसे लोगों की हमारी सोसाइटी में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू सो मच सर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वंस अगेन हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। तो हमारा अगला गाना अपने हार्ड वर्किंग पुलिस के लिए।
कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी, सुनते नहीं है किसी की अर्जी, करते नहीं हम रेगुलर ड्यूटी। में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी, बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी, पांडे जी सीटी बजावे जी सीटी, पांडे जी सीटी बजावे ऑन ड्यूटी, आदत बड़ी नस पीटी, बजावे हाय, बजावे हाय, ओ शराब बजावे हाय पांडे जी सीटी.
So guys, we usually forget about those employees who works really hard for the company. तो बढ़ते हैं हमारे अगले कॉल की ओर, जो कि हमारे बहुत करीबी दोस्त है. Let's connect to आशुतोष. Hello Ashutosh, this is Ajay Trisha from Radio Masala, wishing you a very happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day, Trisha.
So Ashutosh, we are running this show called Kuch To Corona, Let's Do Something, in which we are connecting to some of the warriors and educators and some people who has different and funny side of this pandemic. So मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि तुम्हारा work from home कैसे जा रहा था?
Work from home. So initially I thought it would be easy, but आगे मुझे बहुत problems आए.
Okay, so why don't you share some of your problems with our listeners too?
Yeah, so it was a Monday morning and I was having a meeting with my boss, and then this happened.
Good morning, sir. Is my voice audible?
Yes, Ashutosh. Your voice is audible. Ashutosh?
Yes, sir.
Today you are going to present one report, right?
Yes, sir.
So, is your presentation ready?
Yes, I am ready.
I hope there is no disturbance to it, because yesterday was your call got disconnected and Nekuda was
No,
not
sir, no,
there.
sir.
And I told you to make one PowerPoint presentation last week. Is it ready?
Yes, sir, it's ready.
Okay, so I would like to see the presentation. Then we'll discuss the PowerPoint.
Yes, yes, sir, sure. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
चाय पकड़ अपनी. ठीक है जाती है मैं.
Who was that lady, Ashutosh?
Sorry, sir, sorry, sir. Sir, it was my mother.
Okay, so she has served you tea now. So,
Yes, sir, yes.
is it she is going to bring you breakfast, lunch, dinner, or what?
No, sir, no, sir.
Can you get on with the presentation?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay.
So, sir, as per the last year's revenue, this year we have made a profit of 1 crore. And now this year we are...
Ashutosh, I think someone inside your frame. See your to your right, Ashutosh? At your left? No, पीछे देखो आशुतोष, पीछे तो देखो. Oh, who is that lady, Ashutosh?
Sir, she is my wife.
Okay.
हटो जरा यहाँ से, मुझे सफाई करनी है. बॉस के घर पे साफ सफाई नहीं होती है क्या?
Sorry, sir. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, Ashutosh, take your time.
कितना होता है ना कोई हो. Sorry, sir.
Okay, it's okay, Ashutosh. And the point is, we have not seen any presentation. And your whole house is coming into your camera.
Sorry, sir.
And sorry to say this, that you're sitting in a Bermuda.
Sorry, sir.
And your formal shirt on top, and you're wearing Bermuda down.
Sorry, sir.
And your whole family is coming into your camera, but your presentation is not seen.
Sorry, sir. I'm very sorry.
So if that is the case, when we are going to see your presentation?
Sir, today, sir, I will present it sure.
Okay, so please do the needful and start on presentation.
Okay, sir.
A few moments later.
Ashutosh, enough is enough. It doesn't seem that you are going to present it today. Get on with the presentation.
Sir, as per this year's data, we have got 20% more profit than last year. Our total expenditure is around 10 lakhs, out of which we could save 2 lakhs because we have reused our last year raw material. Sir, as compared to last year, our partner have given us a very good response, and they have increased their order value. Because of that, we have generated surplus revenue, which is used to buy our raw material. We have been fortunate enough to stay in a profitable margin during this lockdown period also. Sorry, sir.
Hello, Ashutosh, are you there? Hello, Ashutosh, hello, Ashutosh, hello.
अरे ये तो काफी embarrassing moment था, but I'm sure अभी काफी चीजें normal हो चुकी होंगी, and I hope so. Your office will also start very soon.
Yeah, I'm waiting to go to office.
Okay, so Ashutosh, once again a very happy Republic Day to you.
Happy Republic Day. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. So, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने सुना, how it feels when a painful Monday comes in our life. तो अगला गाना हमारे एम्प्लॉइज के लिए।
हिला गया तू फेस उठा के दम लेगा क्या मेरी जान खा के खून चूसने तू आया खून चूसने बड़ी खूनी मंडे क्यों आया खून चूसने तू जा रे जा कबूतर जा मैं नहीं जाना मैं नहीं जाना मैं नहीं जाना बिस्तर को छोड़ के खून चूसने तू मेरा खून चूसने बड़ी खूनी मंडे तू चाहे खून चूसने
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खौस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो ये सोते भी है।
You know, Trisha, there are people who are sacrificing their life for others.
Yeah, they are the one who are fighting closely with virus like corona also.
Before calling to our next caller, I want you to guess who this is. So the hint is, when an apple doesn't work, a person with a white coat does. They say, he or she is a magician, not with a stick, but with a stethoscope. I hope you all guessed it right. Yes, our next caller is a doctor. So let's call Dr. Ragini. Hello ma'am, this is RJ Pranav from Radio Masala, wishing you a very happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day, RJ Pranav.
So ma'am, we are airing this show called Kuch To Karona, in which we are going to connect to some of the warriors and educators to share their personal experiences with the listeners. So ma'am, today is Republic Day, you might be having a leave, right?
No, it's a normal day for us.
So guys, as you heard, our doctors are working on Republic Day too. So ma'am, do you even get any time to spend with your family?
Yeah, we do get time, but sometimes we need to go. I remember an incident that I was sitting with my daughter and spending some time, and I got an emergency call from the hospital. So I had to leave.
Write this. Write it properly.
Beta, would you like to eat something?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get your favorite biscuits. Take, have it.
Did you complete it? Yeah. Good girl.
So next you have to write this, okay?
Hello?
Doctor, there is an emergency. Please reach hospital as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Mama, where are you going? Why are you packing your bag?
I have some urgent work. I'll come back soon, I promise.
No, Mama, you're not going anywhere.
No, beta, I'll be back soon. I'll come back soon, okay? Bye.
Bye.
This is so encouraging and we have no words to thank you and your fraternity, which includes your medical team, working 24/7, fighting this deadly virus and sacrificing the life for others. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for connecting with us and sharing your thoughts. Once again, Happy Republic Day. तो हमारा अगला गाना हमारे फ्रंटलाइन वॉरियर्स के लिए।
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी। किसी को हो न हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
I hope you guys enjoyed the track. So let's move on to our next caller. जो कि हमारे आखिरी कॉलर है, तो इनके लिए एक छोटा सा हिंट. One brain has a headphone and another has a mic, and it is saying, "Am I audible?" Just guess who it is. Any guesses? I think you guys got that right. It's none other than our teachers. So let's connect to one of our teacher, Mrs. Iyer. Hello ma'am, this is Ajay Trisha wishing you a very happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day, Trisha.
So ma'am, actually we are running a show named Kuch To Karo Na, Let's Do Something, in which we are connecting to some of the warriors and educators to share their personal experiences with our listeners. Actually ma'am, we are very desperate to know how your day goes and how you manage all the things. And especially how you manage your online teaching.
Online teaching तो पूछो ही मत. It's very difficult to handle घर का काम and online classes.
Yeah ma'am, please बताइए. हमारे listeners में भी काफी students होंगे. Let them also relate.
See Trisha, I have many, but let me share an interesting one with you. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everyone, please switch on your cameras. Camera. Okay, good. Am I visible and audible to you? Please write yes in the chat box or unmute yourself.
जान दे छोड़.
Yes, ma'am. You are visible and audible.
Do you all completed your homeworks?
Homework.
Yes, miss. I did my homework.
Oh, good, Aprajita. What is this hava on the chat box? Stop this nuisance right now. What about others? Arav, what are you eating, you stupid boy? Do you know this? This is all been recorded.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Stop that thing right now.
Sorry, ma'am.
What about you, Kanika? हाँ, तुम्हारे तो मैं यहाँ पे ब्यूटी पार्लर ही खुलवा देती हूँ. जब देखो तब मेकअप करती रहती है. Okay, students, we'll start with a new chapter. Open your textbooks, page number 104.
मार मार मार.
What is this gaming screen? Who is presenting the screen?
अरे उसको मार, लेफ्ट से जा, लेफ्ट से.
Let me check.
और मेरे को बता एक बार.
Dhruv, stop this gaming screen right now. Dhruv, are you listening to me? Dhruv, stop this gaming screen right now. Do you know, Dhruv? This has been recorded.
Ma'am, did you take my name?
Yeah, I took your name. Okay, now leave it.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Ma'am, this was hilarious.
I know, Trisha. अरे ये तो बस ट्रेलर था. There are many stories, but some other time.
No, seriously ma'am, heads off to you and to all the teachers out there. No one can match up to your contribution. Thank you so much ma'am for giving us your time. And I hope to see you again in our show with some more interesting stories.
It was pleasure talking to you, Trisha. Yes, I will come back with some more other interesting stories.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Once again, a very happy Republic Day. Bye-bye.
So guys, we have come to the end of our show. I want to tell all my listeners that Kuch To Corona is not about the pandemic, but making a difference in our society.
Yeah. So before ending our show, let's hear a message from our class teacher, Sir Samudra.
Sometimes, reaching out and taking someone's hand is the beginning of a journey. And on that note, a very good morning to our management team, our loving principal, Reverend Father Bosco de Mello, supervisor of Junior College, Sir Leo D'Souza, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today, we have witnessed through this assembly that it is important to do something for our society to bring a change. We also saw how people from various sectors have faced various kinds of problems while they were at home. We have learned to have courage in the tough times, and we have learned not to give up. This pandemic has taught us the importance of family, and it is important to cherish the moments we have with them. Let this assembly teach us to appreciate those people who contribute towards our country and make us also feel the need to do so. And on that note, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful message. So now, we are dedicating one song which is composed by our own team members, which expresses our thoughts. So I hope you guys like it. तो कल मिलते हैं इसी जगह, इसी वक्त एक और नई कोशिश और एक और नए शो के साथ. So this is RJ Trisha.
And this is RJ Pranav.
Signing off. Enjoy the track.
Our life's gonna be over if we didn't act now. It's only possible if our thoughts are noble. We can stand together and claim the victory. Don't you give up on this so easy. There are a lot of people who have already sacrificed. So be strong, God is with us. Don't you cry. करना है हमें फैसला, बड़ी है हमें दूरी और बदला है मीलों का फासला. चमकेगी अपनी फिर किस्मत, घर छोड़े ना हम हिम्मत, घर छोड़े ना हम हिम्मत. ये लोग बोलते कहानी खत्म, पर हम खड़े यही कहते वो बड़े हैं, पर उनकी समझ नहीं. बोले ऑल इज वेल और दिलों में नेगेटिव बातें. कुछ भी बुरा होने पर इल्जाम समय पे डालते. समय बुरा होता नहीं, हालात बुरे होते. उन हालातों से लड़ने वाले आसमां को छूते, पर ये लोग नहीं समझेंगे यहाँ है नेगेटिविटी. अरे प्लीज चुप हो जाओ एंड शो सम पॉजिटिविटी. बचपन में टीचर ने बोली मुझे रखो हौसला, उसी को सिखाने का आज लिया मैंने फैसला. अगर सब मिलके लड़े तो खत्म मुकाबला. डरो मत साथ रहो क्योंकि दूर नहीं है फासला. फासला 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 मेरा फासला 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 फासला. डरो मत साथ रहो क्योंकि दूर नहीं है फासला. जिंदगी अब तो थम सी गई है, ना जाने अब ये कौन सी घड़ी है, पर मंजिल से हम ना हटे, एक दूसरे का हम हाथ थामे. Nurses and cleaners prove to be the real warriors and the rich saviors. They told us to have ginger with pepper and tea and glee. Exercise would be real nice. We can fight and win this ice. Decide to be wise, stay clear from fear, don't roam, stay inside.
In this lockdown, I learned to cook by reading a beautiful recipe book. The mixture I took and I shook turned out to be also very good. It's things like this that bring us together in unity and harmony, and just as you would. So don't forget these fragments of time and write them down to make them divine.
Cause of lockdown, I know how bad people are feeling, but look at the fact that our earth is healing. Yeah, I know this is not a comfort zone. I'm trying to do things on my own, but I'm still amazed to see the improvement in ozone. Watching Discovery, some forest more green. The sea's so clean, we can see dolphins. We were acting like a workhorse, working day and night, but now we've got enough time to clear our mind. Shout out to the frontliners, they work hard day and night. Let it be a police or farmer, they're all one of a kind. Risking their life, they're always ready to fight. So keep your hope, don't lose faith, and let the light shine. Let the light shine. Let the light shine. Let the light shine. Keep your hope, don't lose faith, and let the light shine.
Let's do something. What will we do? Let's do something. What will we do? Let's do something. What will we do?
जो सड़कों में भीड़ होती थी वो सड़कें आज खाली है। जो वक्त हमारा होता था आज और कोई उसका मालिक है। कुछ तो करो ना, सड़कें शुरू करो ना, वैक्सीन डेवलप करो ना, सब नॉर्मल करो ना, रोज दाल चावल सारा कोई पी के चलो ना। कुछ तो करो ना, कॉलेज शुरू करो ना। In 2019 I thought this is the worst year, but 2020 came up to show me what defines fear. Yeah, I thought of enjoying my 12th as I was 18, but 2020 came up with the gift COVID-19. But I think it's our fault cause we literally kill humanity. 3 months in lockdown and I'm going through anxiety, but this is not permanent, this is temporary. We can end this mockery and try to live peacefully. We just have to stand together and gain each other's trust. Cause I believe in God and I know God believes in us. Cause I believe in God and I know God believes in us. Cause I believe in God and I know God believes in us.
महंगाई तो बढ़ गई, कुछ तो करो ना, सड़कों पे है पानी भरा, कुछ तो करो ना। मैं वो आम आदमी हूँ जो सड़कों पे भूखा सोता, न सर पे है छत मेरे। जिंदगी आंधियों से घेरे, जिंदगी आंधियों से घेरे, जिंदगी आंधियों से घेरे, यार जिंदगी आंधियों से घेरे। पर हौसलों में मेरी एक उड़ान है, अभी तक मेरे सीने में वो जान है। ना मानूंगा मैं हार, करता कोशिश हर बार। अब सुनो मेरी पुकार, कुछ तो करो ना मेरे यार, कुछ तो करो ना मेरे यार, कुछ तो करो ना मेरे यार। मेरे घर पे एक गिटार था, जिसने दिया वो मेरा यार था। मिलता था रोज उससे क्योंकि वो भी एक फनकार था। एक दिन वो बोला मुझको, चल छोड़ दे घर मैं तुझको। घर पे उसने मुझे छोड़ा, बस थोड़ी ही दूर वो पहुंचा। एक गाड़ी ने उसको कुचल दिया, उसके सपनों को वही मसल दिया। आज भी उसका खूनी सड़कों पे खुला घूम रहा। आज भी उसकी माँ कोर्ट के चक्कर है काट रही। आंसू सब सूख गए, मन यही है कहता, अब बस करो ना, अब बस करो ना, कुछ तो करो ना, अरे कुछ तो करो ना। अपनी जुडिशरी को थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करो ना। अब बातें कम, कुछ तो काम करो ना। अब बातें कम, कुछ तो काम करो ना। अब बातें कम, कुछ तो काम करो ना।
And claim the victory. Don't you give up on this so easy. There are a lot of people who have already sacrificed. So be strong, cause God is with us. Don't you cry.
We can stand together.